If you want to be dining with one of the high-paying jobs among all the promising ones, finance is your best bet, and yes, it will dump 5 to 6 figures as a monthly paycheck in your bank account. Imagine all the fantasies you've had when you're alone, like going on a date to one of the most exotic and expensive restaurants, partying with friends on an expensive yacht on a blue sea, affording a private jet to fly around the world, living a clean lifestyle with respect and authority. Just name it. The list goes on. Who wouldn't want the long-awaited opportunity of financial freedom and stability to become a reality, rather than just a pipe dream? Now here's the best part. If you have a background in mathematics, economics, or data analysis, landing a job in finance will make all your dreams come true. Welcome to Finance Advisor, and in this video, you will learn about the top best jobs in the finance sector, which you can specialize in and become a professional in order to finally receive a high-paying check every month. Stick with this video because what will be revealed will fire up anyone's passion for the finance profession. At least you will discover that there are a lot of paychecks in the finance sector to siphon into your bank account. Finance is a broad industry that includes everything from banking and investments to financial technology, or fintech as it is generally known. If you've been considering a career in finance but aren't sure where to begin, you've come to the right place. We'll give you a reason to start getting serious with your finance career because many finance professionals are living big off it. Here is a list of the highest-paying jobs in finance, along with a brief description of the job and the monthly take-home pay. Starting with number 9, we have the investment banker. This one may be one of the corporate finance jobs you wouldn't resist. Investment bankers assist their clients in raising capital in the capital markets. They do this by issuing debt or selling equity for their customers' business. Other responsibilities include assisting customers with mergers and acquisitions and advising them on other investment platforms. The responsibility of an investment banker is to manage the portfolios of businesses and government agencies that have made investments in various industries. They also assist their clients in raising and investing capital in order to help the business achieve its financial growth. The monthly take-home pay of an investment banker is around $5,000. And the 8 best jobs in the finance sector is IT audition. An IT auditor is in charge of analyzing and assessing a company's technological structure and designs to ensure that processes and systems run correctly and efficiently. It is a stress-free type of job and also consumes minimum time. An IT auditor also identifies any IT issues that are covered by the audit, particularly those concerning security and risk management. If problems are discovered, IT auditors must communicate their findings to others in the organization, offer solutions to improve or change processes and systems to ensure security and compliance. To be gainfully employed in this role, you would need a bachelor's degree in computer science, management information systems, accounting, or finance for entry-level IT auditor positions. You should have a solid background in IT or IS, as well as experience in public accounting or internal auditing. As an IT auditor, your monthly salary will be around $7,500. You may also expect more though. Up next at number 7 is Auditor of Compliance. The compliance analyst is responsible for ensuring legal and regulatory compliance by researching, analyzing regulatory requirements, and obtaining the necessary approvals. The primary responsibility of this role is to audit a company for compliance with various governing agency standards. Because long-term economic stability and financial growth rely on established standards, the finance industry is highly regulated. A compliance auditor earns around $5,500 at the end of each month. Next is the financial consultant. Finance consultants are professionals who assist customers to identify short and long-term financial goals by referring them to appropriate products. They work like insurance advisors who are knowledgeable about insurance products, collaborate closely with risk assessors, and serve as a primary point of contact for clients. If you were employed for the position, your monthly take-home will be around $5,000 or more. Number 5 is working as a financial expert. Financial experts or analysts are in charge of a company's or corporation's financial planning, analysis, and projection. They forecast future revenues and expenditures in order to determine cost structures and capital budgeting for projects. Senior-level financial analysts collaborate with other executive-level team members to establish company-wide investment policies and direction. Financial analysts sift through financial data to assist business stakeholders in making informed decisions about the company's finances. They work for financial institutions such as banks, funds, insurance companies, and others to support customers' purchasing decisions and needs across the country. Your monthly earnings working as a financial expert is about around $6,000. And the fourth is a senior accountant. As a senior accountant, you will be responsible for analyzing complex financial records and reports. You are in charge of a company's accounting operations. Senior accountants oversee and verify financial transactions. It is your duty to balance accounts, verify and confirm bank statements on behalf of the company. Senior accountants are usually at the top of an accounting hierarchy and are in charge of the day-to-day accounting duties. They are responsible for budget adherence, meeting accounting goals, and overseeing corporate expenses. Your monthly earnings on this job monthly are always not less than $6,000. Third is manager of a hedge fund. First, you should know what a hedge fund is all about. A hedge fund is a fund that employs a variety of investment techniques across asset classes in order to maximize return for a given level of risk. Hedge fund managers are expected to consistently generate a higher return regardless of market conditions. Hedge fund managers have similar responsibilities to investment bankers, but they work with higher risk and reward portfolios for investors who pool their money to invest in hedge funds. Hedge fund managers must monitor markets in order to protect investors, so they are up early and leave the office late. Because of the high risk that applies to the nature of this job, these guys earns more. The hedge monthly salary is about $8,000, and there may be a bonus due to a surge in ROI. And number 2, which cannot be left out, is financial software developer. The primary role of a financial software developer is to create, modify, and update software for the finance and banking industries. They collaborate with a wide range of companies to create everything from financial education software to debit or credit card software. Talking about the requirements, in this field, a bachelor's degree in software development would be ideal. A software development degree will teach you important programming languages like Java and C++, scripting, data management, user experience design, and other core basics. To be qualified for these positions, you will also need some experience or understanding of finances and financial software. This can be gained through internships or entry-level jobs in which you are able to work closely with financial software developers in a banking or business setting. Since it is a technical role, it could pay you around $8,000 to $15,000 per month. And finally, we've arrived at the last best finance job on our list, which is a private equity partner. Private equity personnel is a business executive who works in investment banking to find potential investors, assist with acquired investments, and perform due diligence with the most effective investors in the bank. They assist throughout the course of a transaction, from the beginning to the end. These professionals network with investors in order to obtain private equity, which is then applied to business investments on clients' portfolios. You will most likely earn $8,000 to $10,000 per month on average. This particular one is high-paying because most investors find pleasure in putting their funds in real estate stocks, which yields huge profit in favor of the financial institution and their partners. If you desire to work in any of the listed finance jobs, go for it to receive that paycheck and also earn your cooperate respect. If you love the effort we put in here to create great content like this, kindly join us by clicking the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to be the first that will view our next interesting videos. Until next time, please write us your thoughts about today's video in the comment section below.